Hello everyone, I'm Guma Richard, doing BBA, Year 3, Reg number 22, BSU, BBA 1153. I'm here to present this number of computerized accounting, this of Mark Traders Company Limited, deals in used and new motorcycle and their spare parts. Already they have given us I'm here given the PO box and the email. Now the question says, using QuickBooks Total's accounting software, create a company in the names of Mark Traders Company Limited, whose reporting currency is UGX. Now let's start. I'm going to my QuickBooks. Then I go to detailed start. Then I create the company name, Mark Traders Company Limited. Then, so the legal name is also Mark Traders Company Limited. Then I go to street address, which is PO Box 234. Then the street is in Barara. Then country shall use other. Then the email, is mark at Africa online so the email was Mark Traders Mark Africa online .sc.ug. Then next, after here, automotive sales and repair. Then next, we come to sole proprietorship. Next. So I come and save on desktop on a folder. I will save with, so I will save using my name, Guma Richard. Then I say open. So it is opening. So it has already opened. Then next, then we use both products and services. Next. So I come here and press yes. Then next. Do you have employees? I will say yes. I'll use this one. Then next. So I'll come here, the beginning of the fiscal year. Next. Then I'll say start working. So I have already opened my account. So I'll come here and first change. I'll go to preferences. Let me start with accounting. For the company preferences, I remove these warnings. Then OK. Then I also go to edit in preferences, then company preferences. Sorry, I go to multiple currencies, then company preferences. Use more than one currency. Then you come here, say view more currencies. Uganda shillings. Make it active. Then yes. Then okay. Okay. So it is opening. So I'm going back to my question. Part B. The company operates a bank account. The number is given in the Centenary Bank and also operates a petty cash book. So let me go back to my QuickBooks. I come and go to charts of account. I maximize. After I go to new. So Centenary Bank is under bank. Continue. So I type Centenary Bank. Centenary Bank. Number, it is given here. It is 5. It is 9, sorry. 50011. Then save and new. Under bank we have petty cash book. Cash book. Then I say save and close. So since that one is done, we go to our question. A question it says the company customers and their balances at 1st Jan 2023. So we have the customers, we have CAM traders, Opit Dan, Munene Auto dealers, and Class Motor Spares and their balances. So I go back to my QuickBooks. So I come to home. After I will come here to customers. It will open there. I come to new customer. So the first customer I have CAM traders. Opening balance is 3 million. So as of it is 1st of January. 1st of January 2023. Say I come and say okay. So the next customer that is Opit Dan. Opit Dan has no an opening balance, but the date it is 1st. Then I say okay. So another customer is Munene Auto Spares. It is Munene Auto dealers. He has an opening balance of 1 million. So we come to date. Okay. The last customer Yes, customers class auto spares. Auto spares. An opening balance of 800,000. The date is the same, 1st of Jan 2023. Then okay. So we go back to our question. The question, the company suppliers and their balances. And since we know that the suppliers are known as vendors, so we have the following: Cavalry Sisters, Masaka Traders, and Madra Importers and their balances. So we go back to our QuickBooks. So I will go back to home. So I go to my vendors. So the first vendor, I have Cavalry Sisters. We have an opening balance of 1.7 million. And the date we shall use the other one of 1st of Jan 2023. So okay. Another vendor, I have Masaka Traders. Opening balance is 1.5. The date still remains the same. So okay. The last vendor, I have Madra Importers. Opening balance I don't have, but the date still remains the same. I will say then okay. So since I'm done with my vendors, I will go back to my question. So they have given me inventory items. So under inventory items, I have motor vehicles, generators, oil, and servicing. So let me go back to my QuickBooks. I go to home. Then I will go to inventory activities. Let me first go back to home. Inventory. Then I come to new inventory. Then it is inventory part. So inventory name, I have motorcycles. Then unit of measure, I will use single. Then next. Then other. Next. Then I put unit. It is U. Then finish. So it has already come. Description is IV001. Then I have the cost. The cost is 4 million. Then the selling price, it is 4.8 million. And then income account, sales. Thereafter, on hand, I have there 8. And the date it is also 1st of January 2023. Then I say okay. I have another inventory. It is generators. Unit of measure is unit. And description is IV002. Then the cost is 2.7. And the selling price is 3.5. Then income account, their sales again. Then on hand, there are 6. The date still remains the same. Then I will say okay. I'll come again since I still have another one. I have oil. Unit of measure, I'll add new. This is under volume. I say okay. It is under liter. Okay. Then description. Is 003. Then the cost is 10,000. And the selling price is 16,000. Sales on hand, I have their 10. The date is still that one of date is 1st of January 2023. Then okay. Another one, the last one is under service. Account name is servicing. Unit of measure, I'm not given. I'll come to the rate, it is 30. An account, I add new. It's under servicing. Then save and close. So it has already come. I say okay. Thereafter, I have some additional information. I'll go back to my question. Additional information on 2nd Jan deposited UGX 40 million into the bank. So here I come back to my QuickBooks. I go to home. After charts of account, I'm to open for them a general journal. plus the general journal, because so here I'm going to credit the capital and debit bank. So I come here, I add a new bank. I'm going to debit it with 40 million. Then here I'm going to credit capital, and the capital it is under equity. Then continue capital, save and close. So it is already there. Then I say save and new. Another transaction. Another transaction on 3rd withdrew 10 million for business use. So I will come here and debit petty cash with 10 million. So Centenary Bank, I will credit it with 10 million. Then I will say save and new. So on 3rd, you obtain the bank loan of worth 100 million. So I will come here, Centenary Bank, I debit it with 100 million. Then I will credit bank loan. Since I don't have it, I'll have to create it for it an account. It is under loan. I will call it bank loan. Save and close. After here, I will say save and close. So another transaction, I go back to my equation. On the 1st Jan, sold 5 motorcycles and 3 generators, and the cash was banked immediately. So I go back to my QuickBooks. I come here, home. After home, I'll go to create sales receipt. After the customer, I can use any name that I want, like Richard. Since they have not given me the name of the customer, I can leave that. So I come to my item. I'm saying motorcycles. How many are they? They are 5. I come to another one. I'm selling generators. They are 3. After they said I'm selling by cash, I sold them on cash. Then I will say save and close. So I have already received the deposits. I come to here to receive deposits, record deposits. Then I come and tick here. After ticking, I say okay. I come here, so then I will say save and close. So I have already, I come to record deposits. After I tick what I want to record, I say okay. After I'll come here, I say save and close. Alright. So I will go on another transaction. On 6th, bought 100 liters of engine oil. That one requires a purchase order. A vendor here I can use of my choice, like KK. Then I will say okay. Then I will come here, select the item. It was oil, 100 liters. Then I will come and say save and close. Then I will come and receive inventory with a bill. The vendor will be KK. It's already here. So I'll come and tick, then OK. Then I'll come and say save and close since I have got the amount. I continue to another transaction. Bought 8 motorcycles by check from Kawal Sisters and paid half of the payment. That will go to purchase order. The vendor is Kawal Sisters. The item is motorcycles. They are 8 in number. After I'll say save and close. Then I'll come and receive inventory with a bill. Since they said they paid half of it. Discovery Sisters. Then I'll come here. Okay. Then save and close. Say cancel. Come here. First remove the things. So I'll say save and close. And after I'll come and say pay bills. I'll come that one of Kawali Sisters. I'll be paying amount to pay. I'll pay half of the payment since they said they paid half of the payment, which is 16 millions. Because the total amount was 32 millions. $16 millions. Yes. And I'll come here, pay selected bills. After, I'll say done. So I've already paid my bills. Now I'll go back to my question. They are saying on 10th sold 10 liters of engine oil and serviced 5 generators. I'll come back to my QuickBook. I come to sales receipt. I'll come to item. This oil. I sold 10 liters. Then I come here, it says servicing. The quantity was 5. They were serviced by cash. I will say save and close. Already I have recorded deposits. I come here, say I tick, say okay. Come here and look for cash. Since I don't have it, I'll create it under the account. It is cash. Then I come and say save and close. And display again. After here, save and close. On another transaction, I first display my question. On 11th day, I sold 6 motorcycles and 2 generators for cash to Muna Auto Garage dealers at 2% discount. So let me go back to my question, my QuickBooks. Then I say create invoices. I come to quantity. I first go to customer job. I add new. They have been given Muna Auto Dealers. Then I come and say okay. Come to quantity. Quantity it is 6. Item code, they are motorcycles. Another one, it is generators. Quantity it is 2. Item code, generators. Has already come. Save and close. So I'm going to receive my payments. I come here to Muna Auto Dealers. And I'll come to discount and credits. I come here, discount amount, equal signs. Since it was 2%, it is 35800, like that. Then I say enter. Thereafter, I come here to discount. I add new account type is an expense. Discount allowed. Now say save and close. Then after done, okay, then save and close. Then I'll come here, record deposits. I come and tick here, and I say done. Okay. Then save and close. Another transaction I have cleared Masaka Traders debt by cash. I come here to pay bills. It is here Masaka Traders. They were paid by cash. I have my cash here. Then I say pay selected bills. Then I will say done. From there I have some expenses. Cleared the following expenses by check. So I'll go back to my QuickBooks. I come to charts of account. The things require general journal. I'll come back. I say make a general journal. The first expense, I come and add, it is fuel. The next expense, it is fuel. Save and close. I come and it is 600,000. Another expense, it is rent. Save and close. It is 200,000. Another expense, I add new to an expense. It is office cleaning. Save and close. It is 220,000. Another expense, it is electricity. With 480,000. Another expense is advertising. Advertising. It is 200,000. Another expense is audit fee. It is 200,000. Another expense since I already have the electricity, I come here and search for it. It is here. It is 500,000. So since they were paid by bank, I'll come here, I credit Centenary Bank, then save and new. Since I still have another one. Then another one says, on Jan, the salary worth 300 and 200 was paid cash to Amada and Katati. So I come here, add new, the expenses, salaries, then save and close. And salary it is for 300. The name, add new, was an employee, then okay. First name is Amada. Then I'll say okay. The second salary is here. It is 200. The name is here is an employee, then okay. Katati, then okay. Then I come here, I'm going to credit cash, then save and close. Another transaction withdrew 500 from the bank for private use. So I'll come here, I create a general journal, come here and I fit. Those are called drawings. Then save and close. I'm going to debit it with 500,000. Then here I'm to credit Centenary Bank and save and close. I'll go back to my question. The last transaction bought computer for office use 2 million. Then I go back to my home. After home I come to purchase order. I can call the vendor by my name, Joel. Then I come and say okay. Then I come to item, I add new. It is inventory. I say computer. So asset account, come here, I add, it is called the computer. Save and close. Description for office use. The date I'll use 25th of January 2023. Then the cost is 2M. Thereafter I come and say okay. So save and close. Then I come and receive inventory with a bill from Joel. I'll say okay. Then save and close. Since I'm done with the transactions, let me go back to my question. Required, extract the following: profit and loss report for the month of this, statement of financial position. Now let me go back to my QuickBook. Then I come to reports. I come to company and financial. Profit and loss, standard. Come here, all. So my net income is what? Is 10,100,000. So my net income is 10 million. Then after I'll go to export the Excel. I come to new worksheet. So export. After I come here and maximize. After come here. Then I name here my sheet as profit and loss report. Profit and loss report. After I come here back to my QuickBooks. I come to report After report, I come to company and finance and financial. So balance sheet standard. Then I come here. I say all. It has already displayed. And I have here my equity, which reads like 219,494,000. Thereafter I'll come to Excel, to worksheet, scanning, export. I scroll down. So I come here and rename my sheet as the financial statement. Financial statement of financial position. And thank you for listening.